and we're back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the S20 5G. You've probably already seen a lot of unboxings, but this is my one. It's going to be a very quick unboxing, only because I already recorded an unboxing because I was so excited about getting this phone. And upon trying to stop the recording, I realized that I didn't even press the record button. So there's, as you can imagine, it's already been broken. The seal's already been broken, etc., just because I've already done an unboxing. So let's have a look. Just like the new Samsung phones, the box does get stuck in the top. This doesn't include anything important, just a SIM ejector and some warranty stuff inside. Let's not worry about that. So we have the phone here. I went for the Cosmic Grey just because I wanted something a bit different, and I think the black one and blue ones that Samsung come out with are almost always the same. The grey one is actually pretty nice though. If you've ever seen like an Audi car in Audi Grey, I call it, that's what it looks like. So it's not too light, not too dark, just perfect, I'd say. And it will take off. This has already been taken off, but just for your pleasure, I'll do it again. And the phone is on because I've already unboxed it. One thing to note on this new S20 series is Samsung has completely changed the camera. So unlike previous models, Samsung is stuck with 12 megapixel sensors. Bear in mind they have been improving it mildly throughout, but since I think the S7, they've been just 12 megapixel. Even up until the S10, they changed it to 3 lenses, but still 12 megapixel. Now on the S20, we've got 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel standard wide, and then you've got a 64 megapixel telephoto lens. All this combined allows you to record in 8K, which is something I haven't seen before. And while you're recording in 8K, you can actually take 33 megapixel still photos, so that will come in handy. You can also do 3 times hybrid optic zoom and 30 times super resolution zoom, which is actually digital zoom. Coming to charging, it comes with a 25 watt fast charger in the box, which we can see here. You've got your standard 25 watt fast charger with USB-C in, USB-C out. One thing I was looking at is this comes in the box as well, as you can see, and it's got a little hole there, almost like something's supposed to come in the box with it, but nothing does. You get your cable and your AKG headphones, which are pretty good, but Samsung usually include like the smart switch tool or the USB-C to micro USB-C tool, but they haven't included it in this series, similar to how Apple used to include the headphone jack when they first, the headphone jack adapter when they first took it out of the phones, and now they don't include them anymore. So just another moneymaker, I guess. Anyway, back to the charging. So you've got 25 watt wired charger in the box. It does 9 watt reverse wireless charging, so that will benefit everyone a lot better than they previously did. I think previously it was like 2 or 3 watts, which wouldn't charge a phone that fast. It would be more for accessories. But now you can even charge phones on there pretty good. You also get 15 watt wireless charging in their capabilities, so that would be decent. This is the UK version, so it is the Exynos 990, and it is the 5G version, so it does come with 12 gigabytes of RAM, whereas the 4G version comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM. Whether or not that extra 4 gig will help with anything, I don't know. It might just be for the antenna, it might be for overall performance, who knows. I do like how Samsung have now resorted to almost all of their phones being dual SIM, whereas if you were to look a couple of years ago, trying to find a dual SIM phone with these big brands would be quite hard, unless you went for the like OnePlus or Xiaomi or something like that, which they've been putting dual SIM since the start, I think. So I've already turned the phone on. One thing I switched on immediately is the 120 Hz high refresh rate, because on my current phone I've got a Google Pixel 4 XL and that's got 90 Hz, and I went for a P30 Pro, which obviously runs at 60 hertz, to the Google Pixel, and that was night and day difference. I mean, if you haven't experienced a 90 hertz display, obviously you won't be able to see the difference on the camera because it's not recording at that speed, but you should definitely try it out. I don't think the difference will be as big going from 90 hertz to 120 hertz, but it's still good, in my opinion. Still good to have. As you can see, there's already a software update available for camera improvements and enhanced features, etc. And I've only just literally unboxed the phone yesterday, I believe it was. So hopefully the updates keep coming. As you can see, Samsung, as per usual, giving you a ton of features, most of which you won't use, but a lot of them are actually pretty good, like a screen recorder. I like how a lot of them have been including that in their features now, and etc. Now, one thing I haven't yet got, I mean, I know it comes with a film screen protector on the front, and I haven't actually got a case in mind or a tempered glass screen protector. I need to get a tempered glass screen protector because I believe it's just too fragile, and I don't know if I can carry it around like that. Even though I've never dropped my phone, it's just something I always have to have. But I definitely need to get a case. So if you guys know any cases or tempered glass screen protectors, recommendations, put them down in the comments box below, and I'll be sure to check them out. The only thing I can say is I don't like the flip cases, so don't recommend me any flip cases because I definitely won't be getting them. But any just back cases, etc., I'll definitely look into and try and get as soon as possible so I can start using this. This is going to be replacing my Pixel 4 XL as my daily driver. So I've got plenty more videos lined up of all different stuff, including camera comparisons and iPad accessories, iPad Pro stuff, etc. So if you guys liked the video, give me a thumbs up down below. Subscribe for more content. Like I said, there's plenty more stuff coming. I haven't posted in a while just because I've been trying to get this recording area, is what I'd call it, sorted, and there's plenty more stuff coming now. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Remember, subscribe and like the video, and we'll see you on the next one.